And Aspergy. Welcome to
Candy heaven!
yeah, Candy World. Let's go and pick some candies. Yeah, we have a candy monstery. Let's see how many kilos we can take.
Be careful.
You want this too?
Yeah. Marcos not allowed that.
The sweet candies.
Yeah, everything.
What do they say? Kilo? 1 kilo? Or...
Now there is like
Okay.
but there is this kilo price thing.
Okay, that's good.
There is heaven, my heaven is there.
Okay.
I take always
Your
there.
candy, they look like lip balm.
Do you know what this says?
This is a
Reindeer
forum.
shit. This is reindeer shit. Do you want some reindeer shit?
You want it?
Hey,
Hey. We can have free reindeer seat if we go to street and searching reindeer.
yes.
Don't hit anybody.
I won't.
There is Mr. Beast.
Oh, Mr. Beast. I knew it like Mr. Beast.
It's a €5.
Okay.
5.5.
Mr. Beast has millions of euros, so I don't need to support him. So?
So do you notice this? This is the candy heaven.
Okay. Cool.
Joo, mutta niitä löytyy mua.
Rolling stars. Oh, I like it so. Oh my god, 1, 2, 3.
There is a lot.
Mitä? Ranta.
No, it's not even sweet. Oh no.
How much you got?
2.1. Almost 2.2.
More.
Oh, you are crazy now. And we are there.
How much you ordered?
Really?
You?
I tried to. What? You want them?
Maybe one or two.
Maybe be fast.
Boy, there's a lot of candy. Really?
Yeah, I like it, them. I remember them. Really?
Yeah. Carry on, 3 kilo mission.
No,
Only 3 kilo.
honey. Then you have to help me. We are faster if you help me.
I had you. Okay, you can.
Okay.
Wee, they look super good. Okay.
Hey.
Come to Sweden and get 3 kilo of candy in 2 kilo price. Whee! Habibi, come to Sweden and get candies like for free. More.
Honey, really? You have to say to me what you want.
Nickel. Hey, money. I help you.
Honey, really?
Yo.
They melting. You remember that?
Okay, there's no problem.
But we had to put them back. Oh my god, honey. Oh my.
Not this one, it will melt soon. I'll eat some of them tonight.
Make more this mambo.
Thanks for watching. The full video and audio was recorded with the brand new Insta360 X4 in 8K. Subscribe for more.